Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here in Cardiff. You join me in this 2018 Hyundai i10. This had the infamous factory radio with the sat-nav that failed. So you're looking at either £4.5 to £5 replacement with them, or you can come to us and we can stick in a lovely KENWOOD DMX6523DABS. This model has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so the customer now has a lot more features as well. They can use things like Siri, Google Maps, Apple Maps, and much more. Just come out with here. Some more features of this radio include digital radio as well. Just show you some of the channels we put on for the customer. So you saved on for there. Come out of here. We've also kept the factory steering wheel controls working as well. Also keeping the factory USB location down the bottom as well working. This radio also has wireless mirroring for Androids, FM, AM radio as well, Bluetooth audio for phones that aren't Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also a USB input as I've shown on the bottom. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your vehicle, please get in touch.